Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make smooth wipe effect in After Effects. Guys, I like to use this effect in many of my music video that I made because it looks well, it is very pretty, it is very easy, and it is very cinematic, guys. So now let's jump in Adobe After Effects and let's see how to do it.
Yo, this is my clip, so now drag and drop it here in your timeline. So this is okay. So now double click here on this clip. Okay, so now go here on this roto brush tool. So now click on it. So now and then come here on the beginning of my clip. So now I'm going to select this subject because I just want this subject only. In out of what? Out of my smooth I'm going to do. Okay, you have to select it well. For this selection which is outside, you have to hold out and then this red brush tool will come, then remove it. Okay, so now come here on preview. So now I'm going to jump frame by frame and let me see how my selection it fits well on my subject. Just let me speed up. So guys, back here on my first composition. So now let me see how is it. Okay, this is my subject. So now after this, come here on this effect, just type effect called offset. Okay, this offset. Before you drop here on this timeline, just you have to duplicate this layer. Just hold Ctrl plus D to duplicate, and then click here on the second one, then open up, just delete these Roto brush refine edges. So now back here on the first clip, so now drag this offset and then drop it here on this second clip. So now come here, offset effect settings, click here on shift to center, then come here where your effect, let me put it this line here. Now I'm going to spin this background. Just you can spin many times you want. Okay, so this is now for me. So let me text how is it. So now for this, I'm going to add another effect called directional blur, because it will affect this effect to be smoothed. Directional blur. So now drag and drop it here on this second clip. So now increase this blue length, but first you have to add this. Just add keyframe here on the beginning where the clip is going to start. After here, just increase the smooth. But this smooth, as you see here, it's vertical. So now I'm going to change the direction to horizontal. And 90 angle. So now let me see how is it. Okay. Let's see how is it. Just I'm going to increase this offset here where my effect it will end, just right here. Then come to select those keyframes, then right click on it, click here on keyframe assistant, on easy sorry. Okay, so let me pray and let me see how. After this, come here to add here on directional blur. Just add there on a keyframe 2, then jump 1 frame, then back here on 0. Okay, so now let me pray and let me see how is it. My effect is going slow, but I can just move these frames here to reduce the space between these two keyframes. Okay,
guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and drop your comment down below. And if you have any question, please drop it into your comment. I'm here to help you. See you in next video. Bye.